You guys do such a great job of coming in so quiet, and sitting down and paying attention to see what we've got going on. We are going to do things in a little different order today. Our friends from the bank are not here yet, so I had Mrs. Malone go get my list of math winners so we can announce all of you. So we're going to start today with our Good Friend Award. Mrs. Sumner's going to start. But we have to remember a couple of things. Is everyone going to win an award today? No. No, and that's okay, because most of us have had a turn, and if we haven't had a turn, we probably will have a turn today. But can we be okay even if it's not our turn today? Okay, good, because that's our big promise, that we have to be okay and be happy for our friends if it's their turn and not our turn. Okay, let's have Mrs. Sumner come on up, and she is going to do our Good Friend Award.
Can we just barge in real quick?
Sure, come on in.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, come on in, guys. Oh, thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have a special announcement that today is Mrs. Campbell Day. All day is going to be Mrs. Campbell Day because we want to celebrate her and her retirement at the end of this school year. So this is for you. We have some other great things.
Oh, I have Hawaii themed sack for you.
Love it.
We have something to hang up.
Okay, good. Oh, I love this.
Ready?
Surprise. Yowza. Okay, so let's go ahead. We'll still have Mrs. Sumner go first. And then we will do our specials and our math award and our terrific citizen. So, okay, come on up, Mrs. Sumner.
All right. I'm here for the Fantastic Friend Award, and these friends are kind and helpful and friendly at school every day. This month is Isabella Gailey, Charlie Franks, Aurora Williams, Gabriel Lightfoot. Caden Garlock. Bentley Baxter. Harley Cox. Congratulations to these students.
All right, my friends, we have been working on getting ready for field day in PE. So listen for your first and last name. Hey, Greathouse. Tommy Holland. Charlie Adams. Aiden Cruz. Raiden Morgan. Willow Klein.
Okay, we have some artists of the month. Listen for your name. Harper Marsden. Haley Wilson. Shaylin Johnson. Avery Fordyce. Mia Whipple. Gael Pineda. And Jetson Lucero. All right, let's give them a hand. Good job, guys. All right. I have some musicians of the month. Listen for your name. Aaliyah Medrano. Remy Naylor. Everly Flowers.
Next, we have math on this little poster. What did I do with my glasses? They're in my pocket. Oh, boys and girls. Okay. All right, we're going to announce the math winners, and our friends from the bank weren't here yet, so we will get your awards to you as soon as they bring those to us. And remember, the bank, Community Bank of Harrisonville, they know how important it is to have good math skills. So your teachers have been looking for boys and girls that try their best during math and are helpful to other students. So listen closely for your first and your last name. You did a great job remembering that today. I forgot to remind you this morning that sometimes we have friends that have the same first name but a different last name, but you've done a great job listening today. All right, our first math award winner is Willow Gooch. Kinley Call.
You're gonna get your paper.
We're going to take pictures and give you the awards later. Chloe Gunther. June Glaze. Henry Stevens. Tinsley Glenn. Here she comes. And Logan Taylor. All right, so great job to all of our math award winners. Let's give them a big round of applause. All right, we are ready. We have a special friend from the Kiwanis Club here today. And you know, the Kiwanis Club are the grown-ups that come and read to us on Wednesdays. They know how important it is to be a good citizen and do the things we should and to be helpful to other people. So they are going to give us some certificates and t-shirts for all of our terrific citizens. So listen closely. Come on over. I'm going to give you. You want to? Okay. Our first terrific citizen got here just in time, Mr. Owen Ragsdale. Nathaniel Jones. Natalie Jackson. Aubrey Endicott. Adelie Campbell. McKenna Murphy. And Reagan Carver. not least, we want to recognize a terrific teacher who's also a good citizen. And that teacher is going to get not only a t-shirt and a certificate, but a Sonic gift card. I know, it's exciting. And that terrific citizen this month is Mrs. Norman. Come be in the picture too. All right, thank you so much. All right, we'll give everybody a big round of applause. One more great big round. Okay, Mrs. Dubray has something to say, I think.
Hey, since this is Mrs. Campbell's last assembly ever, we've got a couple of surprises for you. And the students have made you a book with some advice on how you can spend all of your extra time once you're retired. So you can read through that.
Thank you.
And then they have been practicing a special song with Mrs. Norman. So can everybody stand up?